Now we have one left right here. It doesn't look too dirty. Kind of crusty right around here, the primary and the secondaries. Pump's still good. You can see I was still pumping. Floats seem okay. It was just an off-idle, very minimal surge, but I didn't like it, so what the heck, I'll just take it all apart. Nope, phone call. Let's see who that is. Hello? Idle mixture screws look pretty good. There's a spring right here for the pump. It goes there. Make sure you don't lose these two springs right here. Those are for the metering rods. Just to show that you can use a flat blade screw on these Torx screw heads. As long as you got the right size, it should be fine. It's pretty crusty. A little bit dirty. Okay, we're going to take the jets out. That's going to be a fun process because those are hard to get to. There's one right here, one right there. I'm going to take these off here. That's a 10. Let me try a 15. Oh, yeah, it's 15. This is for the squirter. I think there's a check ball and a spring in here. We'll see. There's a little square piece and the check ball. We'll see it drop out right now. There it is. Check ball and that little block. Put those off to one side so we won't lose them. And that's it. It's disassembled. The two floats. I usually put this in some gas or something, and if they float, they're okay. These are the needles and seats. We're going to replace those. We have the new ones over here with the kit. Okay, we're going to take these seats out. Probably don't have to, but I will. These have a little gasket on them, so we'll just put these off to one side. We're going to put new ones on anyway, so I like to keep those little screens. Those screens, you do clean. Not clean, they keep any particles out, but eventually stuff goes through. That's why this carburetor was missing. So I ended up putting a 750 Holley double pumper, and it actually works good. But like I said, these carbs here, these are very easy to set, to adjust. The idle mixture is so easy, very sensitive, very easy to adjust on these. So put this off to one side here. That don't need to go in the cleaner. The pump, like I said, it's still good. Probably save that for parts. Putting a new gasket in anyway. Let me take this off here. That should be 11/16. I spoke too soon. 3/4. I didn't put that Teflon on there, somebody else did. Dude, that's crusty. I gotta clean that up. Look at that. That's not good. Okay, put these babies in here. Let me take this out right here. I mean, why waste a good vacuum plug? Just doesn't make sense. Okay, I'll go in like that. We're gonna put these in. I'll take the gasket off of these as well. There we go. Nope. Squirter. Taking the spring out that goes in here. I'm not going to put those in the cleaner, or the hardware, the screws and stuff. This needs to go in. It's kind of dirty, this area right here. Just throw that in right there. And the lid, I'm gonna put the lid, and hopefully, oh, that sticker's gonna get messed up. So we know it's an Edelbrock, and in it goes. There we go. Look at that. Leave it there a day or so. Should be fine. There we go. Sunk right in. This is it's a good cleaner, but it could be better. You might have to go to Arizona and get some cleaner. I didn't put any of the hardware, the floats and stuff. Those will be okay. The idle mixer screws will be okay as well. This is the rest of the hardware on it. I'll leave it in the cleaner there a couple days or so, or maybe a day or so. Just take it out. And these are the tools I used. Not a lot of tools needed for that. So, all right. I'll get another video ready once I get it ready to put it back together. Thanks for watching.